Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover XAI Games. They launched an airdrop some time ago and you can claim your airdrop now, so the airdrop of XAI is live. This is a very important and big project on the gaming industry, and in today's video we are not only cover the airdrop, but we also are going to check a little bit about the project, and I'm going to tell you if I think this is a project that worth to invest or not. Of course, this is not financial advice, it's only my opinion and what I am going to do in relation to a possible investment or not in this project. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. So this is the website XAI.games, and they call themselves blockchain gaming developed for mass adoption. XAI is built to enable open trade in the next generation of video games. With XAI, potentially billions of traditional gamers can own and trade valuable in-game items in their favorite games for the first time without the need to interact with crypto wallets. So right now in the crypto market there are many new projects that work as infrastructure to create games on it, and XAI is one of those. I think the major competitor is going to be Immutable X. That is one of the leaders platforms to build games on. Of course, you have another studios like Beam, Myra, and of course Gala Games. But I think the major competitor of XAI is Immutable X. But XAI Games is very important in the crypto space because of these points. XAI is co-developed by official labs, and these are the creators of Arbitrum and now Arbitrum Stylus. So you can go to the Twitter of XAI, and here you can see that is officially posted in their Twitter. And if we go here and check the projects, where you can see right now is all around Stylus, they also were the creators of Arbitrum. And you also have Team Secret. This is another big project that is partnering and co-developed of XAI. So this gives the project a very big credibility. They have a lot of funding to do this and be one of the leaders on this bull run. And they are very new. So at this moment, you can already see how this project is going to be important in the crypto space. Another good point is that they did an airdrop, and they have projects already launching and many in development process. Here too in the Twitter you can see they have Final Form XP and Lamo. So if you go to those links you can see a little bit more about the different projects that they already have launched. But this is just starting and they are really growing and are going to grow a lot during 2024. So in my step-by-step of today, some important points. First, follow their social in their website. So go to XAI Games and you can check there the social networks. My second point is the airdrop information. So let's cover that so you can claim the airdrop if you participate. Here is the official link for that. You have a lot of time to claim this. This started the 9th of January and you still have time until the 7th of July to claim your airdrops. So there's no rush, but if you already did it, it's time to you to go and claim your XAI tokens. The eligibility criteria, it was very centered on NFTs, and not many people and airdrop hunters were behind XAI network at that moment. So the eligibility was have at least one of the following criteria, which are holding an Odyssey Phase 1 NFT, specifically Legendary and Vanguard, a Phase 2 NFT, or hold at least one Sentry Key NFT. And the snapshot for the Sentry Key NFT was at the end of the year. Another thing for this airdrop that was not really welcomed at the moment is that you need to do KYC in some of the cases for these NFTs. So if you need to claim this airdrop, you may have to do KYC before that. Now the step 3 is go and claim your XAI official site, your official tokens here. So here in the steps to claim, you have the URL. This is very minimalistic and easy to be confused that this could be a scam, but this is 100% legit. So what you need to do here is connect your MetaMask wallet and you need to be in Arbitrum network. This is a layer 3 running over Arbitrum. Once you are connected, you are going to see here the information if you are eligible to get the airdrops or not, and you will be able to claim them. So it's really easy and directly to the point. So another way to make money right now with this project, I think, is running a node. I have been researching this a lot, and I have to be honest with everyone, I am not decided yet to do it, but I think it's worth it to pay attention to that. And maybe if you are super node friendly and you run nodes from many other projects, maybe this is very interesting for you. So here you have the link for the information on how to get everything and how to run a node. It's not very easy, so pay attention to everything, but that could bring you some passive income on the tokens that at the moment of recording, the XAI tokens are already launched. It was launched the 9th of January and the value is 55 cents. So yeah, step 4, run an XAI node. It's not for everyone, but it could be something interesting to check at least. And point 5 is token already launched in January 9th, like I say. So we are going to review a little bit of the tokenomics and I'm going to give you my final conclusion. So the max supply is 2.5 billion. So here you can see the max supply 2.5 billion. If I compare it with Immutable X, for example, is 2 billion. So it's more similar in tokenomics to that project. The biggest competitor from my perspective is Immutable AMX. And one thing that I really don't like of this project, and maybe the only thing that I don't like, is the tokenomics. The tokenomics are not good. It's too centralized. So here is the link to the tokenomics, and you can see that there is a 20% for the team and a 22.4% to investors. So you are talking about here a 42.4%, which is really almost half of this, is for the team and investors. And that makes it very dangerous in my perspective, because even if they have some vesting period to get the tokens, they have a lot of centralization in their hands. And even if they are partners of Chain Labs, this is really bad in my perspective and from the eyes of a retail investor. So I think 20% for the team is like too much. The same for investors. Then you have 7.5% to ecosystem. It's not clear what is going to go that 7.5. And 50.1 is for nodes. So you are going to get your rewards from that. Community, like the airdrop, and DIC. So simple tokenomics, I really don't like the tokenomics at all. That is a very big point against the project and against investing in these tokens. And you can see that also in the price action. The price right now, from my perspective, is a little high because 55 cents after they launch it is a little high because the market cap is 156 million. They are already at position 269. So there's a lot of pump around this project, but you also need to consider that the circulating supply is 277 million tokens only. So 277 million tokens is only a very small percentage of the max supply. And this makes it very centralized because, like you know, 45% is in the hands of the team and investors. So I really don't like that part. And you can see here that only the circulating supply is only 277 million tokens. This is around the 10% only. And that is because half of this almost is all in the hands of team and investors. So I really don't like that. That makes the price to be really higher because not many tokens are going to be released in the market neither. But you still have the centralization of the tokens in the hands of the team and investors. It's not the same that we say that the tokens are in the hands of a DAO, of a company, for example. It's not the same situation like here. So this makes it, again, a very bad point for the project in my perspective. And here I did a simple mathematical equation. Well, when I did this, the price was 63 cents yesterday, but you can see the team has 20%. That is 500 million tokens. At the current price of 63 cents, which was yesterday, the team has $350 million, guys. They are already millionaires just because they launched the project. And I understand the big companies are behind this and probably big investors, but this doesn't look good to me for a project that I want to follow. Of course, I don't think this is going to be a pump and dump. This is a serious project, probably very, and for the airdrop you even need to do KYC. I am not saying that the project is not the shit, but you can see, owning the 20%, they are probably all millionaires, because how many people are in the team? Even if they have 315 employees, each of them with 1 million. You can see that already today all of them are millionaires and they don't have 300 people working there. So after seeing all that information and talking about the project and everything, I will give you my conclusions. So my conclusions are that I still think that this project will do it good in this bull run. The best guarantee for me is that Official Labs is behind it. They did great things over the years. They also have this big partner on the gaming industry, which is Team Secret. You can also check for this project. So it's really well managed, and probably they have a lot of funding to do this. The max supply is not huge like Beam or Gala, like other gaming studios that usually they have like 50 billion tokens. So it's more similar to Immutable with 2 billion. So I kind of like that. The big con is the tokenomic centralization. I already mentioned that many times in this video. I really hate that, but still I can see XAI going at least to $10. That is almost 20x from the current price. So right now it's 56 cents. So in my perspective, I'm probably going to invest in this project. This is not financial advice, it's only my opinion. And of course I am not paid by XAI to make this video. I wish I had, because if they have 315 for the team, I would be able to earn a lot of money for a video, but yeah, it's not the case. Congratulations for all the team that are millionaires right now. But yeah, I still think that it's going to do it well. The only reason that I will invest really is because they are backed by Off-Chain Labs. So yeah, 20x for this project in this bull run I think is super possible, and 2024 probably is going to be great already for the gaming industry here in crypto. Another con is that was just launched, so we really cannot do any technical analysis on when to enter, but I am expecting a correction from Bitcoin and the crypto market in general for the expectation, not only for what happened with the Bitcoin ETF, but for the halving. Historically, when the halving date comes, there's a dump. So during the first half of this year, I expect to Bitcoin go below 40,000 and even around $35,000. It's really possible. So at that moment, I think altcoins are going to suffer again a retracement, and that will be a perfect time to enter these kind of positions for the long term. And for the long term, I mean to try to sell at the peak of the bull run, right? Or around that. And you know, I am a very active airdrop hunter, so you can go to my website cryptocurrencystate.net/videos and you can see all the different airdrops that you can claim. For example, you can do Dub Test airdrop, which is free. Zksync Fair, you can claim this still. You have a couple of days left. You can see all the injective things that you can do, both and updates on Celestia. And I did a very important video on a best strategy if you don't have time, where you stake in these different protocols, and if you did that on December 20, you will receive many tokens for this dimension protocol. So check all those videos, are very important for this 2024, so you get a lot of airdrops. And if you want to make another step on your airdrop hunter path, join me in my private Discord, and I also have a subscription to my application. My app is going to help you to apply and register your airdrop progresses in a very organized way, and also if you use multiple wallets to farm, it's going to help you a lot. Well guys, that is the coverage for XAI Games. You can claim the airdrop if you apply, and you can see the review of the project and see if it's something that fits your portfolio strategy. That will be all for this video. Before we leave, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.